Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 500 MCQs of modern period. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 212 up to part 9. This is part 10. These questions are very useful for competitive exam. तो यदि आप भी इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चन सीखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए। शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। विच नॉवेल ऑफ सॉमरसेट मॉगम सैटिराइजेज द इंग्लिश प्रोपेंसिटी for admiring the great old man among other writers. Again, listen the question. Which novel of Somerset Maugham satirizes the English propensity for admiring the great old man among the writers? Option A, The Hero. Option B, Cakes and Ale. Option C, The Painted Veil. And option D, The Moon and Sixpence. So the correct answer is option B, Cakes and LA. Now question number 214. Which play of Somerset Maugham was booed for its immortality of its premiere? Which play of Somerset Maugham was booed for its immorality and its premiere? Option A, Home and Beauty. Option B, For Service Rendered. Option C, The Constant Wife. And option D, The Circle. So option D, The Circle is the correct answer. Now question number 215. Which play of Somerset Maugham portrays the hostile reaction to a barber who wins a lottery and attempts to use the proceeds according to Christ's teaching? Option A, For Service Rendered. Option B, Sheppy. Option C, The Painted Veil. And option D, Home and Beauty. So the correct answer is Sheppy. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 216. The first English newspaper devoted exclusively to women's interest, which was founded in 1903, is? Again, the first English newspaper devoted exclusively to women's interest, which was founded in 1903, is? Option A, Daily Mail. Option B, Daily Express. Option C, Daily Mirror. And option D, Daily Vision. So the Daily Mirror is the correct answer. Option C, Daily Mirror is the correct answer. Now question number 217. Maugham depicted his unsuccessful marriage in? Option A, The Constant Wife. Option B, Home and Beauty. Option C, The Painted Veil. And option D, Lygia of Lambeth. Lygia of Lambeth. The correct answer is option A, The Constant Wife. Now question number 218. It is a serious play by Somerset Maugham showing his deep feeling in a study of unrequited love, part of a murder story of unrequited and of euthanasia defense. Which is that play? Again, listen the question. It is a serious play by Somerset Maugham showing his deep feeling in a study of unrequited love, part of a murder story of unrequired and euthanasia defense. Which is that play? Option A, The Circle. Option B, The Casuarina Tree. Option C, The Sacred Flame. And option D, The Trembling of Leaf. So option C, The Sacred Flame is the correct answer. Now question number 219. Which playwright called his own play a sardonic comedy? Option A, George Bernard Shaw. Option B, Somerset Maugham. Option C, Ibsen. And option D, T.S. Eliot. The correct answer is option B, Somerset Maugham called his own play sardonic comedy. Now question number 220. Yeats wrote a charming and touching ballad about a priest who always attended his sick parishioners. Once being exhausted, he could not visit a sick person and fell asleep. However, God sent his angel in the form of the priest to attend on the dying man. Name the ballad. Option A, The Coming Home. Option B, The God's Angel. Option C, Rose of the World. And option D, The Ballad of the Father Gilligan. So the correct answer is option D, the ballad, the ballad of the Father Gilligan. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 221. Which group of poets did Robert Graves join but left it soon after? Which group of poets did Robert Graves join but left it soon after? Option A, Pre-Raphaelites. Option B, Elizabethan poets. Option C, Georgian poets. And option D, aesthetic poets. So option C, Georgian poets is the correct answer. Now question number 222. Robert Graves in his The Common Apodil made fun of option A, Georgianism, option B, Romanticism, option C, New Classicism, and Evisionism. So the correct answer is option A, Georgianism is the correct answer. Dear friends, these questions are very useful and important for competitive exam. So listen these questions again and again. Now question number 223. Where angel feared to treat the longest journey and a room with a view are the first three novels of option A, H.G. Wells, option B, E.M. Foster, option C, R.L. Stevenson, and option D, Oscar Wilde. So the correct answer is option B, E.M. Foster is the correct answer. Now question number 224. Which novel of E.M. Foster published posthumously has a homosexual theme? Option A, The Longest Journey. Option B, Howard's End. Option C, A Passage of India. And option D, Maurice. So option D, Maurice is the correct answer. Now question number 225. E.M. Foster spent some years in India as a secretary and companion to an Indian king after the First World War. Name the king. Option A, Maharaja of Devas Jr. Option B, Maharaja of Devas Senior. Option C, Maharaja of Patiala. And option D, Maharaja of Kapurthala. So the correct answer is Maharaja of Devas Senior. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 226. E.M. Foster's A Passage to India deals with option A, relationship between the British and Indians. Option B, discovery of the sea route to India. Option C, ancient Indian culture. Option D, arrival of the Britishers in India. So the correct answer is option A, relationship between the Britishers and Indians is the correct answer. Now question number 227. E.M. Foster wrote the biography of his great aunt which give an enlightening background of the writer. Identify it. Option A, Avenger Harvest. Option B, Maurice. Option C, Marian Thornton. And option D, The Eternal Moment. So option C, Marian Thornton. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 228. Counterpoints attempts to attack the whole of intellectual society of the time by conveying the social image of the age with imaginative depth and substance. Identify its writer. Option A, Evelyn Bow. Option B, Aldous Huxley. Option C, Henry Green. And option D, P.G. Wodehouse. So the correct answer is option B, Aldous Huxley. Now question number 229. Aldous Huxley most celebrated books is a utopian or rather dystopian fantasy in which he visualized a future world where the entire populace would be mentally conditioned by totalitarian despots. Which is that book? Option A, Crime Allo. Option B, Those Barren Leaves. Option C, Antique Hay. Option D, Brave New World. So the correct answer is Brave New World. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 230. 230. In Brave New World, the calendar is dated AF, which stand for option A after fossil, option B after Ford, option C after Francis, and option D after Feud. So the correct answer is after Ford. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 231. The travel book in which Huxley described his experiences in India is option A, Justing Pilot, option B, Remote People, option C, App and Essence, and option D, Eyeless in Gaza. Eyeless in Gaza. So option A, Justing Pilot is the correct answer. This is the question number 232 which is the second last question of this video. डियर फ्रेंड, यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए. Now question number 232. Aldous Huxley borrowed the title Brave New World from option A, Lily's Ulysses, option B, Sydney's Arcadia, option C, Shakespeare's Tempest, and option D, Bacon's New Atlantis. So the correct answer is Aldous Huxley borrowed the title Brave New World from Shakespeare's Tempest. Option C is the correct answer. Now this is last question. What would you call Aldous Huxley Brave New World? Option A, a novel of adventure. Option B, a prophetic novel. Option C, a psychological novel. And option D, a picaresque novel. The correct answer is option A. The correct answer is option B, a prophetic novel. Option B is the correct answer. I hope आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए होंगे. Thank you for